Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you dissolution of partnership firm. This is my lecture number 45, and I have explained all the things related to dissolution of partnership firm. I have also explained how to solve practical question based on dissolution of partnership firm. So now I again solve some practical question based on dissolution of partnership firm. So first we have to see and read the question related to dissolution of partnership firm. So student, see the question. This is your question. Prachi, Ritika and Isita were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. The court ordered for the dissolution of their partnership firm as on 31st March 2019. Prachi was deputed to realize the assets and pay the liability. She was paid 1,000 as commission for the services. The financial position of the firm was as follows. Creditor is given, investment fluctuation fund and capital account of Prachi and Ritika are given in liability side only. Prachi and Ritika. Capital. Now in asset side, furniture, stock, investment, cash and Isita capital given. Now question says, Prachi took over investment for 12,500. Stock and furniture realized rupees 41,500. There was old furniture which has been written off completely from the books. Ritika agreed to take away the same at the price of 3,000. Yes, Ritika agreed to take away the furniture at a price of 3,000. Now, compensation paid to employee amounted to 8,000. The liability was not provided in the above. Compensation for employee was not recorded in book, but it should be give to employee. So it will be unrecorded liability and we have to pay it. Now realization expenses amounted 1,000. Prepare realization account, partner capital account and cash account to close the books of the firm. Now, first I have to prepare realization account. For this solution, now student, I will transfer the assets in debit side of realization account. Asset, this is question number 7, and I have to transfer furniture 37,000 is given in asset side. Next, stock is also given in asset side in question 5,500. Now investment is also given 15,000, and in liability side by creditors 10,000 is given, and now investment fluctuation fund is also given 4,500. I will also transfer partners capital in their capital account. First, I am preparing realization account only, so I am going to in adjustment says Prachi took over investment, so Prachi capital account, it will be 12,500. Now cash account, stock and furniture realized 41,500. Question says about stock and furniture 41,500. Now Ritika means R's capital account for taking old furniture in 3,000. Next, in debit side, cash account for creditors, compensations, and expenses 10,000, 8,000 and 1,000. Total will be 19,000. Prachi capital, Peach capital for commission will be 1,000. Now I will calculate the balance of realization account. In debit side it will be 77,500, and I will write in credit side also 77,500, and loss will transfer into partners capital account. P, R and I. P for Prachi, R for Ritika and I for Isita. It will total loss 6,000, and I will divide it in old ratio 3,000, 1,800 and 1,200. So it will be 6,000. Now I am going to prepare partners capital account. Now this is partner capital account. DR side, particulars, Prachi, Ritika, R for Ritika, I for Isita, particulars, Prachi, Ritika and Isita. This is credit side. Partners capital account. Now I will transfer the balance of capital by balance BD 40,000 in Prachi and 30,000 in Ritika, and Isita have debit balance, so what to balance BD because it is given in asset side. Amount is given 18,000 in asset side, Isita capital. Now loss on realization will transfer into debit side of partner capital account, and it is 3,000, 1,800 and 1,200. Now next point is realization account, because Prachi took over investment in 12,500 and Ritika old furniture in 3,000. So I will also transfer into debit side by realization account for Prachi, because she has to get 1,000 as commission. Now I will balance it. Prachi have 41,000 in credit side, so bank account will be balancing figure for Prachi 25,500. Now Ritika have 30,000 in credit side, 30,000, and bank account will be 25,200. But Isita have debit side 19,200, so she has to bring cash, So cash account in credit side, it will be 19,200. 19,200. Now I am going to prepare cash account, debit side and credit side, particular amount, particular. Now in asset side, cash balance is given 9,000, so it will be by balance BD 9,000, and asset realize, so realization account cash is cash has come from realization of asset 41,500, and Isita brings cash 19,200. So Isita's capital account will be 19,200 in debit side. In credit side, by realization account, for the payment of expenses, creditor, etc. It is 19,000. Now payment made to Prachi P's capital account is given 25,500, and Ritika R's capital account 25,200. So total will be 750, 69,700. In credit side also it will be 69,700. Student, you can again see the question and you may take a screenshot for question, and then you can prepare a note for this question in your notebook. Now this is solution of realization account of this question. You may take the screenshot and you can understand the realization account. And last, I am going to show you partners capital account and cash account, and now you have to prepare this question in your notebook. I will meet you in next video with some new topic. Thank you very much.